my goodness.
Oh, look at you, buddy.
God. I tell you, he's a genius. Isn't he smart?
He is smart. That's what
Oh my
Justin is.
God. He doesn't know what we're doing.
I know. No,
Oh my God.
Ian's 6.5 months old, and we're trying to teach him how to move. I don't know why we're trying to teach him to move.
Oh,
no!
God. He doesn't know why we're acting up. My.
Come get it. Come get
I
it.
know. This is new.
Come
Like
get
he's been trying. He's been
Look.
trying.
And he's thinking we're crazy. Oh, you guys are baby.
He is. He's like, what?
I know. The bad thing here is he's reaching out to get a video game controller.
He likes it himself.
I know.
You little shit.
Yes.
All right. Get me.